SRT Bree, wide body. There only about 3 or 4 wide bodies down here.
Wide body gang.
Wide body gang. This the indigo blue, right?
Yeah.
Like that. That thing loud right there, boy.
Well, they took their cats off.
I know, right?
That's next. I already did a mid and a resident.
Okay. I haven't even touched it, man. It's so new. I hadn't even touched it yet. Yeah. Nothing but Dodge. Look at all the Chargers. Got a Camaro. You okay? They showing out. Clean. They showing out. Oh, he got that wrap that's clean. Yeah. He got the same shit I got. We just walk around. We got Charlotte in here. It's my man Toro 704. Everybody. Whole lot going on. Wide bodies. My man Ed right there. Huh? Who that sound like? That's me. What's up, y'all?
So hold up.
What's up?
First of all,
What?
the Carolinas is here, and this guy did not arrive.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the colors. It's that Miami Vice. It's a Hellcat too. Wide body red eye. Oh, this swag pack right here. It's a whole nother level. What's good, bro? Hey, Aaliyah. Look at this right here. Swag pack right there. It's next level. Swag pack shack. Yeah.
It's nice.
Well, something like this got to go in the garage for sure.
Yeah.
You can't have this outside.
No.
Look at the wrap. That's like a blue marble.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, we got a wide body Hellcat. So this is the big one right here. Yeah, Louisiana. SRT. That's where it all started right here. Look at this color.
He's not ready lost.
You can smell that. That loud. Gotta catch him, mess around and catch contact.
I don't know about you, but I am.
Yeah, exactly. I'm already been drinking you too.
Me too.
Oh, look at this one right here, right here. See, you get a Durango. Where? Oh, there you go. See, spoke too soon. Clean. Got roses at the top. other reason I don't like parking my car in the parking lot. Because you dumb shit like that. A lot of activity. Oh shit. Cop said nope, you can't do that. Look at that smoke.
I know.
How thick that is. Oh, the cop going to get him? He gone. He gone. He gone. All
No burnout.
I'm finna go live out this bitch. Speed on that walk, no burnout, they gonna shut it down.
Listen, that smoke might clear the coronavirus. Stop putting all your damn makeup on the back of my shirt. That's your real one. That's your real one. How that? Good, good, you go ahead.
Party over. Party over.
Cop shut it down, y'all. They over there. They got the tow trucks out here. More cops. Bro, cops here. Told you, your boy's known. Your boy is known. All over the world. They know me. That was cool. What y'all getting into tonight, man? Be anything or nothing, man. It could be, man. I don't know. If y'all get into something, let me know, man.
I'm following right now.
The tow trucks out here, they about to shut it down. All right, guys, that's been Atlanta. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Knockout 360. Peace.